Hi guys, it's Louis here from TrustedBinaryReviews.net. Happy Monday, hope you're having a fantastic start to the week. Now, I've been inundated with requests to give an updated review of 24Option. One of the main reasons is because FX Tracker have recently added 24Option as a regulated broker to their compatible brokers. And so lots of people asking me to give my updated thoughts about 24Option, and I would like to just do something, if my computer will let me handle all this program, screen capturing and PowerPoint at the same time. Biggest thing is that these guys are fully regulated. 24Option have had the regulation for one of the longest regulated brokers from the SciSec regulators in Cyprus, so that's very, very good. Make sure that you get your money, and there's not an issue with these guys being cowboys and running off with your dosh. But they also have invested a lot of money in their platform, which is the Tech Financials platform, but I'm not going to go too much into that. What I really wanted to talk about, which not many people know about, including myself, but they've got a 100% payout feature on most of the commonly traded assets. Now, if you have a look here, these are the most common currency pairs anyway. So, if you have a look here, the 24Option site defaults to high-low, which is your standard sort of traditional binary options. But so let's say you've got Euro USD, 82% there. But if you just go on to 100% payout and go Euro USD, you've got a 100% payout. Hurrah! Hurrah! So, when you're dealing with, say, like I've been doing a lot of trading with FX Tracker, 100% payout instead of 82% payout, 85% payout, that's considerably more. So, they're only offering it on some of the main currency pairs, as you can see here, but that means if you're trading on these ones anyway, then you're going to have about 15% more profits overall. So that in itself is very, very, very good. I wanted to just do a little calculation, in fact. Let me see if I can bring this up. Okay, so this was the last time I updated the FX Tracker win-loss chart. Now, what I wanted to demonstrate was the difference in profit compared to, well, this was using Binary Street, but if we were using the 100% payout on 24Option, let's just copy that down and see what that does to the overall profit. So there we go. That would have been I would have a balance of 11,938 instead of 10,678. So that's a considerable bump. 11,000, nearly 12,000 euros. So you're getting on for almost $1,500 more just by having 100% return instead of 86% return. I mean, a lot of brokers, it's either 80% return or less. You know, and a lot of them don't offer 100% on such short-term options. I mean, a lot of sites you'll get 70% for a 5-minute option. So, you know, all these things add up over time as well. Yeah, there's not too much to say about the Tech Financials platform. It's just different. It's different to spot option. Lots of brokers use the spot option platform. There's a T in there. Tech Financials is a different platform, and it looks slightly different, but has most of the same features as pretty much all of the big binary platforms. What I also wanted to say is that if you are looking at getting into Forex as well, because there are lots of times where trading in the Forex style, the CFD style, is advantageous to binary options because you can choose exactly when you want to get in and get out of the market. And they're also offering a MT4 integrated solution for that as well. They've got a mobile app as well, which enables you to take the signals on the go that you're getting from FX Tracker, for example. And if you're getting signals out on the phone, you need to be able to place the trades on your phone as well, and that enables you to do that. So, what else do we know about 24Option? They have a new feature. I'll see if I can drag up the page. 24Option, 24option.com. See if I can go to the front page. They have MetaTrader 4. The MT4 platform is one of the most popular charting and analysis softwares. Why do they say softwares? How has softwares become a word? How has that happened? I don't even know how that's happened. It's software is a plural of programs. As far as I'm, software is like a category. You don't have a software. You have a piece of software. It shouldn't be platform. It shouldn't be plural. I'm pretty sure it shouldn't be plural. Does anyone else know? Can you have two softwares? That sounds wrong to me. And I did go to a grammar school, so I think I should be pretty au fait with the whole grammar thing. Anyway, they do offer MetaTrader 4, which is very useful. Again, we're starting to see a lot more really legit trading programs, things like FX Tracker. I'm big on FX Tracker at the moment. I really like it. It's earning a lot of money. So that can plug in directly with the 24Option version of MT4. So you can actually go to 24Option's website, download MT4, plug in your account details, and just drag and drop the FX Tracker indicator into the 24Option of MT4. So, what else have we got? Here we go. Right, next. They win lots of awards. They do win lots of awards. They're a very, very big broker, and they've got lots of awards for all sorts of things. It even says it down here. Investing.com awards, Forex Magnets awards, UK Forex awards, IGB awards, and so on and so forth. So, and the one last thing is that live chat is very, very good. I've had to use it quite a few times, and it's just useful for chasing up things like withdrawals, which are also very, very quick. And I've never had an issue with them, ever. So, and I remember when I was first doing videos, getting on for 2 years ago now, and I've not had a problem with them ever since then. So there we go. I'm very, very pleased that they are on board with the FX Tracker, and I think if you're thinking about doing something like that, then it's well worth having a look. I'll put all the links underneath, guys, if you are interested. Now, the one last feature I wanted to talk about with 24Option is that you have a feature here. You can't do it with 100% payout, but what you can do if you are looking to have a bit more of a comprehensive approach. Just take the euro dollar here. Euro dollar. Okay. Now you can set, for example, open trade when the rate reaches, and then you can see this line here, and you can adjust this line here according to the price. So it's very visual, but let's say you were looking to make a put trade. You can actually make it so that it executed at the point where you wanted it to. So if you're going to place a put trade, you could say, well, wait until it gets this high and then place the put trade. So you can make sure that you're not in a ranging market, so it will only execute the trades if there's enough movement. So there you go, that might be a good time to place the put trade to reach above your threshold. So particularly if you're using support and resistance trading, this is particularly good. So if you've identified your support and resistance lines, you can tell 24Option, well, don't place the trade until you've hit these points. And you could actually set up the call and the put just ready to go, and it will only execute them if the rate is reaches and crosses above those thresholds. So that is a very, very useful feature which isn't available on a lot of platforms at all. So, well, you can do that with MT4, obviously, but in binary, that is not incredibly popular. And look at that, there we go, that's now plummeting down. So, there we go, guys. I just wanted to say that's 24Option are they're really good. They're really good. I've used them for a couple of years now, and they are fully regulated. And if you would like to get involved, you can get FX Tracker for free as well. So it's well worth checking out 24Option, guys. If you do it with the link below, you'll get FX Tracker for free. That's it, right? You heard it here first, guys. You get FX Tracker for free with 24Option if you use the link below. Okay, so I'm going to get this edited and online. I've got lots of stuff to do today. Please stop asking me about 24Option now. There you go. That's what I think, and I think you'll be absolutely fine. Really solid broker, guys. Really good support, fast payouts, and fully regulated. So there we go. Okay, have a fantastic week. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye.